Conjugation of the verb to work in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I work. 2. Simple past, I worked. 3. Simple future, I will work. 4. Present continuous, I am working. 5. Past continuous, I was working. 6. Future continuous, I will be working. 7. Present perfect, I have worked. 8. Past perfect, I had worked. 9. Future perfect, I will have worked. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been working. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been working. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been working. Conjugation of the verb to work. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it works. 2. Simple past. He, she or it worked. 2. Simple past. He, she or it worked. 3. Simple future. He, she or it work. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is working. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was working. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be working. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has worked. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had worked. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have worked. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been working. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been working. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been working. Conjugation of the verb to work. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they work. 2. Simple past. You, we or they worked. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will work. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are working. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were working. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be working. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have worked. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had worked. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have worked. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been working. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been working. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been working. Verb to work forms. Present simple I, you, we, they work. He, she, it works. Past simple worked. Past participle worked. Form working.